Hi everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial, and today's topic is going to be about how to install and use external libraries. So on the screen here I have Visual Studio with a main.py file that I'll be using to demonstrate how to use the external library, and below we have the terminal for the WSL. So first we're going to be doing updating or downloading the package sources. So the way we do it is sudo apt-get update. I just updated it previously, and this should be short. Next, we're going to be installing what is called pip3, which is the official package manager for Python. So the way we do that is sudo apt install pip3. I already have pip3 installed, so I won't be running this command. But if you don't, then you have to run this command. And the way we can see if it's installed or not, we could do pip3, and it should show a bunch of commands. So to install a library, first I'm going to be using NumPy. So we could do pip3 show and then NumPy, and this command actually what it'll do is show if the NumPy package exists or not. And you can see here that I already have the NumPy. So I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall the library pip install NumPy, uninstall NumPy, and then this is going to uninstall Python, NumPy. So when we do pip3 show NumPy, it's going to say package not found because I just uninstalled it. So to install a external library, we do pip3 install and then give it the external library name, and so in this case it's going to be NumPy. So let's give an enter, and as you can see it says successfully installed NumPy, and this is the version that it installed, 1.2.24.2. And we can also do pip3 list to list the existing packages, and this is apparently the existing packages, external libraries that I have, and here you can see NumPy and the version number. So I'm going to be using this main.py file to demonstrate the usage of an external library. So on top, to import an external library, we do import the library name NumPy, and then I'm going to be using an alias as np. So to reference NumPy, we can use np, and I'm going to be creating a variable which is going to be a NumPy array. Let's give an easy example, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's have the sum of the array, sum of the elements, and stored it inside the sum. So np.sum, and we give it the array name. And finally, let's print out this sum. Let's run this file, and we can see here the printout is 10. So we can understand that the NumPy is being imported into the main.py file, and we're using its functions. Finally, I want to show how to upgrade an existing package, and the way we do that is pip install and we give it an extra flag, which is the upgrade flag, and we do numpy. Since we just installed it, it has to be the latest version, but let's give it a try. And it says requirement already satisfied, and it says this pretty much means that we're at the latest. So that's it for this video. Hope this tutorial helped in any way or form. Please give it a like if it did, and also subscribe to the channel, as I'll be putting out more Python content. And thanks for watching.